Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life, and today's video is going to be a design and review video with mostly the beads that OHM is just releasing for December. I am styling with some of their other beads from previous collections, but really just want to give you some up-close ideas of how I'm designing with these beads, and then just some additional thoughts that I've had with these beads as I've had more time to play with them. The first bracelet I had to put together was with this adorable, cute little snow angel. He was probably my favorite silver bead from this collection. Oh, maybe not. He's tied for he's tied for my favorite. He's got the cutest, adorable little wings in the back. And then his little top hat, you can see, is like a halo effect. He is just so cute. Like when you think of snow angels, I think of, being a kid and laying in the snow and creating a snow angel. But the fact that they made a little snowman with angel wings is just adorable. I love him. He's a cutie. So he's definitely the first one I wanted to design with. I was really impressed with the glitter glass collection from OHM that includes Sky Guild, Spark of Life, and Nouveau. And I just love all of the different sparkles that are in these beads. That has like a gold, rose gold glitter in there. This one just sparkles because it looks like cracked. And then Sky Guild has like the gold foil in there that really pops against the black. And then I really wanted to put Fogberry in here because I thought with the gray color scheme you kind of really fit in. So I do have Fogberry here. And this is one of the designs that I created. I have it on a medium-sized twisted bangle. And then the waterish spacers on the side. It's kind of a tongue twister for me to say. And then I had mentioned in my review that Fogberry was similar to Blackberry, so you can see the little dots, indentions in there. So these actually would pair really nicely together too in another design. I do want to take a minute to show you like just up close like how these glass beads come to life. I have become such a huge fan of OHM's glass beads. They, like if you look here, the glass is all clear. All of that beauty is sitting right on the core. And then the way the glass is shaped around it, you just get this beautiful glass design with like, it just looks like a small layer of clear when the whole glass bead is really just like reflecting off that core. It's gorgeous. I wore this bracelet like almost every day since I put this together. The next three beads that I designed with were the very last bottom bead, so bottom number 55. If you guys didn't see my unboxing video, he came in this packaging. It was so cute. So I put him on this tan leather along with Milky. I really liked the way Milky paired with Unicorny, so I put these together. And then here you have the little rat for the year of the rat. You guys, he reminds me of Templeton from Charlotte's Web, like so much. Cute little feet. He has some engraving on the feet. So much detail in that bead. So much detail in this little piggy. Mr. Bottomless. Oh, I love OHM so much. You guys just wait till you see what I got from their 22% off sale. One of them cracks me up. Okay. Yeah, so I really liked the way these, the white looked against the leather, and then I wanted to design with these silver beads together. And I have become a huge fan of OHM's leather whips and how you could do like a layered effect, and it looks like you have multiple bracelets. So I think these guys go great together. What do you think? One thing, like, take note of the milky glass bead. So I just previously showed you a glass bead that had just the design on the core. So this one, you know, has a white core. You can see that, but you can also see that that is like painted on the glass, like at the top. They create really cool different effects. And this is how I designed with these 3 beads from December. The next one I was excited to play around with was Stronghold. If you guys have seen my previous video a while back, it was during another OHM haul that I had done. I have the Emerald City bead that's like this, where you could put it on a necklace and put a bead inside. So Stronghold is that exact same concept. And this is one of my favorite drop necklaces. I like that it has the OHM logo hanging from there. So here's how I did Stronghold. And I used the glass beads from the Spa collection on that. Here are more close-ups of that bead. It's pressure point and release tension. And these ones, again, they're not the clear like we saw at first. This one has some of the art or the painting done on like closer to the surface of the glass. And this one kind of creates a 3D effect. The one thing, I love these types of beads right here. The one thing that is kind of a drawback is that you can't exactly see the bead that's in there, but I do find, see how pressure point sticks out through most of the little sections. You can kind of get a good, you can kind of see it. So just keep in mind when you get something like this, you're probably gonna hide a lot of that first glass bead, but it's okay, you could still see it. The next bead that I was really excited about, and you didn't see this in my unboxing video because this one had not arrived yet, but I did do an IGTV review of this Step Up bead, which I love. I love the meaning behind it, right? Anytime you've ever felt like you had to step up. I think the most important step up moment for me was when I decided that I was going to be a single parent, right? I had previously ended the relationship with Presley's dad prior to knowing anything, and yeah, when I found out, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this. And my sister's like, what are you gonna do? And I was like, I'm gonna be a single mom. And she was like, that's gonna be really hard. And I was like, yeah, I know. Watch me like do it like to the best of my ability. And I feel like I've done a pretty good job so far. So that's probably like when I really think of like stepping up, that's probably the most important thing I've stepped up or, you know, had a challenge to step up to. But there's many more too. I like a challenge. Put a mountain in front of me. I want to climb it. So I ended up putting this on a bracelet. You could put this on a bracelet or a necklace. I'll show it on a necklace here in just a minute. But I did want to put it with the Slim collection. The Slim collection came out with 5 different colors. So we have these ones, and then we have, pull this one out over here. We have this red one called Bark, and I felt like these colors really complemented each other, and this one didn't. So I set this one aside and designed with those ones. I did want to show you size comparisons on this too, so that's coming here in just a minute, but just take a better, closer look at what we did here. And then I will show you how Step Up opens and closes. This is the Dirty Twisted Bangle, by the way, and this is Fire-ish spacers that I use for that. If you're wondering, these These are all, again, just the core is designed, and the way the glass comes together just really makes it look like that design is like on the entire bead, but really just on the core. Okay, so here we have step up as a ladder, and then maybe there's times that you don't need a step up and everything's good and running exactly like you want it to run. And you can just fold up your ladder and take a little rest. It folds up like that. Isn't that cute? But maybe you want to have it near you and put it on a bracelet. I mean, not a bracelet, a necklace. Let's get this on a necklace too. You really could loop this through any of the holes within the ladder, but I like doing it this way. So that's another way that you can wear step up. I was really like pleasantly surprised with the size of this bead. It's so big in like a good way. And then I love how they're making these designs that you can like open and close. Cute little ladder. I love like miniature figurines, and it just reminds me of like a little miniature figurine. Okay, which one's next? Okay, let's take a closer look at the Slim collection and how it compares to like their regular sized beads. Just throw a couple on here. Since I already have this out, let's put this one on here too. So there you can see how much slimmer these glass beads are compared to another one. You guys, I just said how I had a really hard time designing with this one, but look how good like those three colors go together. Why did I not notice this earlier? That is really pretty. I'm actually really in love with this look right here. But if you saw my Instagram, I did tell you that I do want to give one of these beads away as a thank you. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for supporting my Instagram. Really, it's because all of your support, you know, that I even have the opportunity to work with OHM to, you know, bring these to you guys so you guys can see real life pictures of them. Well, real life on video when they release and on preview day. So as a thank you, I am doing a giveaway for this bead right here. It's a very pretty like orangey red color called bark, and I like that it's called bark because it reminds me of like the bark on a tree. But the giveaway is not being hosted on my YouTube channel. I am hosting it on my Instagram. So head over there because that is going to be a really short giveaway. I'm going to be drawing the winner on Thanksgiving Day at noon. So Thanksgiving drawing for being thankful for those of you who watch my channel. And again, that will be this bead that will be in the giveaway. So just go to my Instagram and comment. I'll insert the link to that post on the description of this video. I think that brings us to the end, you guys. That is all the designs and how I designed with the December collection, using some of the beads I already had, using some of the bracelets and necklaces that I already had. Isn't this one's just perfect for the winter? Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you would like to leave a comment, I would love to know which December bead is your favorite. So I'm gonna go with silver. I'm gonna pick Step Up and Snow Angel. And for the glass beads, I'm gonna go with Sky Guild and Nouveau for sure. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's say one final farewell and goodbye to the bead of the months. Maybe someday OHM will bring them back, maybe not. But thank you guys again so much for watching. We will see you all next time.